Hello, my name is Mr. Schoening, and welcome to my Physics A classroom. For parents who are unable to attend back to school night, what I would like to show you today is just a couple basic procedures and policies of our class that will be important for you to know. Before you start, first thing is that this is my website that you are looking at the moment. This is where you will find the majority of the information that is necessary to contact me. On this site, you will see my email address. My email address is my preferred method of contact for the initial contact. I certainly do not mind having phone conversations or text discussions, but most conversations are easier to initiate using email because I see it throughout the day. Um, I have a phone number here on the website that you can reach me with also. And that's basically it in terms of how you will reach out to me. Um, I just wanted to spend just a few moments explaining what you're going to see in the course and some of the expectations. So if you were wondering how the expectations of this course are going to go, I do have a link here where you can read and follow along. But for right now, I'm just going to zoom over to another screen and we'll look at the expectations that we have here. You can take time to read this for yourself, but the main thing that I just wanted to address today are the things that the students need for class. Students must always have their Chromebook. I have provided them with some equation sheets that they will be using. They use them every day. We have a 3-ring notebook, and I am asking to put graph paper in there for particular reasons, which hopefully your child will be able to explain later on. And I prefer to see a pen and a pencil, but pencil really more importantly than any others. If we were to scroll through, the one thing you will notice is that we do not have a true textbook. We use an online version. So it's important that the students are signed up. Every child who's in my class currently is signed up at the moment, and we won't need to worry about that if you're watching this video. I just wanted to take a moment to scroll down just to mention the different categories of the course. This course is going to be a participation-based course. The tests in this class, tests and projects, are going to make up 40% of the grade. That's the major part. The minor assessments are their quizzes. They're going to be worth 20%. And the big category where students tend to have trouble in this course is the lab. If you notice here on the screen, the lab is worth 30% of the grade. It is imperative that students complete all labs accurately, completely, and turn them in on time. Most students who find themselves in trouble in this course is because they are careless with the lab work. So as a parent, I please advise you, make sure that your children are getting their labs turned in. We also have a small category here for practice. This will be the daily work and the homework that the students do. They will be submitting those to me, and we will have a lot of those assignments. If they miss one of those here and there, that's not as big of a deal. We do have a retesting policy in this department, but I must advise that the retest policy, in order to qualify for the retest, students must do all of the homework in the given unit prior to the test. If they do that, that makes them eligible. And if they go through a couple of other steps, they can do the retest, but not until they do so. And that pretty much takes us through the course. If you were to go to my Google Classroom, this is where the students will find their work every day. If you look, it is very organized, and you can feel free to email me and I can add you to the classroom so you can check on your children if you need to. But what you will see is all of our work is categorized in weeks, and each topic is given a specific day, even on the days that classes do not meet. So, for example, on this day of 9/23, we see on Friday, I have 3 different attachments. We have a presentation that will be gone over in class. This is here in case anybody is absent. We have a digital submission and a worksheet. The worksheet is just simply what we will be doing in class, and this belongs in their notebook. This is in case they lose it, they can reprint it. The digital submission is that we do a lot of work here in this class that utilizes a digital platform. And what the students can do is work on these things for mastery. And what they will do is they get trophies and other awards, and they will give screenshots of their successes to let me know that they have mastered the topic. So, for example, we see this one here. Their goal is to actually earn trophies for each level. When they provide me with a screenshot, it lets them and myself know that their work is good, and that they should be able to move on to the next topic without much difficulty. Again, if you need to reach out to me, please feel free to use my contact information here on my homepage. You can also access the calendars over here on the side to see what is going on any given day. And that's pretty much it. So I'm looking forward to a great school year. Thank you for your time. Take care.